So it's the 9th game between England and Morocco. We are really excited for this beautiful game to begin. The weather is looking lovely today. And the game begins. It's Shahir who gives it in. Oh, it might be it, but Mayank saves it. Umar Ali takes, and it is Murtaza now ready for the ball. Shahir is really frustrated at Murtaza because he has no IQ at football. It's Murtaza now. Murtaza, and he loses the ball against Asad. And Murtaza doesn't care actually. It's Asad now. Essen. Oh, what a nutmeg! But it's not gonna go. Essen gets through. Iqab gives it to Sahil. It's Sahil. Essen. And it's out. It's Shahir. Oh, passes it to Umar Ali, but Umar Ali just gives it back. And it's the Umar. Oh, it's corner. So Iqab cannot reach it. It's Umar. Oh, so close. Oh, what a pass. Murtaza. And he scores for England. And it's 1-0. It's Sahil now. 1-0 for England. What a start. Murtaza opens the scoring. And if you're wondering where is Arash, he's actually not available for this game. So Murtaza is replacing him. It's Asad. Umar. Oh, it's in! It's goal. It's Shahir. He goes for it and it's just wide. Asad, oh, brilliant to beat Umar Ali. And Asad still. And Sahil, oh, it's in! And it's 2-1. Asif does a mistake. And it's now 2-1. Morocco leads. Oh, what a save by Mayank. How did he manage to keep that away? It's Umar. And Shahir with the block. It's still not out somehow. And Asif. It's Sahil. Oh, it's in. And it's 3-1 for Morocco. That's the third mistake for Asif. To Morocco. Yellow card to Umar. It's Sahil. 3-1 to Morocco right now. It's Sahil. Umar Ali. Oh, it's Murtaza. Easy for Murtaza. Simple chance. And it's out. Murtaza misses the greatest chance of all time. And Murtaza is celebrating. And he gives it to Hassan. Oh, Asif with brilliant clearance. It's Umar against Umar Ali. Umar tries to flick the ball over Umar Ali. But it's Umar now. Oh, sorry. It's Umar Ali shoots and Mayank saves it. Last play before half time. Not out. It's still Umar gives it to Umar Ali. It's Umar Ali and Asif. Oh, Asif nutmegs Hassan. It's Umar now. It's Sahil. Gives a lovely pass to Hassan. Will he be able to reach it? He does keep it in. It's still Hassan. He tries to shoot. It's still Hassan. Sahil. Oh, it's blocked by Asif. Can Morocco get a goal? Right before halftime and Umar Ali clears it. Halftime. It's Umar. And it's out. It's Murtaza. And penalty. It's a penalty for England. Can Shahir bring life back for England? It's Shahir. And he's missed it. And he shot it wide. Morocco takes it. No goal. I didn't say goal. He just ran into. Yellow card to Asif. He takes it at Shahir with a brilliant save. Umar. Oh, just not a target. Okay, Sahil. Umar, oh, brilliant save by Shahir. It's still in. It's Asad. Murtaza now. It's Murtaza. Murtaza. Oh, he's missed it. Gives it to Umar Ali. It's Umar Ali. Can he do shit? Oh! Murtaza scores! And it's 3-2. Umar Ali somehow manages to keep the ball in. What a... It's Asif. Gives it to Umar Ali. Umar Ali, oh! So close. And Mayank with the save. It's Asif. Umar Ali, oh, it's Asad to increase the lead. And Morocco, it's saved by Shahid and Sober now. Murtaza. Sahil. Nuhan. It's Sahil. Oh, brilliant by... Oh, wonderful. And be it for England. It's Murtaza. Oh, it's saved. It's Umar Ali. Oh, it's saved again. Asif. Ehsan. No foul. Murtaza. Ehsan. Oh, England are now giving it their all over here. It's Umar. Might be. Oh, it's somehow not in. It's Shahid. He shoots and it's wide. And it's gonna be goal kick. Umar Ali. Oh, it's so close. It's Murtaza. This should go in. This should be it. And it is. And England finds the late equalizer in the 30th minute. Oh, this might be it for Morocco. Foul. Yellow card. Still not out. And Mayank is able to beat Shahid. Sahil, Ikam, Ehsan for Morocco. Ehsan. Oh, that's brilliant by Ikam. It's Umar Ali. Ehsan. Oh, Morocco. This might be it. And it's saved by Asif. Oh, Murtaza. It's still Murtaza. Oh, Murtaza. This is a great chance for England. Murtaza. Oh, gives it in. Shahir. Oh, he's missed it. Just high. Shahir. No foul. It's no foul. It's Ehsan. Murtaza. Oh, so close. Ikam gives it to Murtaza. It's Murtaza. No foul. Shahid shoots and it's horribly wide. It's Shahid. Umar Ali. And it's wide. Last play. What? How? He didn't. The ball didn't cross the line fully. And it's saved. England survive over there. Shahid tries from full court. Full time.